Redmi Buds 5 launched with 3 color options. Redmi Buds 5, the latest true wireless stereo earphones from the Chinese electronics brand, have been launched in India. Featuring a semi-in-ear design reminiscent of AirPods, these earphones offer active noise cancellation technology, reducing external noise by up to 46 dB. Equipped with 12.4mm dynamic drivers, they promise a battery life of up to 40 hours and support dual device pairing along with touch controls. Additionally, users can locate their earphones using their smartphone, as per the company's claims. The Redmi Buds 5 features 12.4mm dynamic drivers with a frequency response rate of 20 Hz to 20 kHz and offers ANC with a reduction of 46 dB in external noise. They sport an in-ear design and come with an oval-shaped charging case, boasting AI-backed dual microphones. These TWS earphones offer 3 transparency modes and various audio effects, including standard, enhanced treble, enhanced bass, and enhanced voice. Connectivity-wise, they support Bluetooth 5.3 with SBC and AAC codecs, including Google Fast Pair support. Moreover, they are IP54 rated for dust and water resistance and support touch controls for easy playback and noise cancellation management. The Redmi Buds 5 also features fast charging, providing up to 2 hours of playtime with just 5 minutes of charging, and the charging case promises up to 38 hours of battery life on a single charge. The Redmi Buds 5 are priced at 2,999 Indian rupees and come in Fusion Black, Fusion Purple, and Fusion White color options. They'll be up for sale starting February 20th on various platforms, including Mi.com, Amazon, Flipkart, Mi Homes, and Xiaomi retail partners. As an introductory offer, customers purchasing the Redmi Note 13 series smartphones, Xiaomi Pad, or Redmi Pad Kinewheel earphones at a discounted price of 2,499 Indian rupees.